Since the construction and the installation of the Raya Solar Power plant, there has been so many positive things happening around Raya village in Garissa County. One of them being an increase in the construction of houses, such as the mega building in front of us, and there has been an increased demand for land. There are so many people buying land around here. Back to the Raya power station, it is considered the largest solar power plant in Kenya, East Africa and Central Africa. It covers about 85 hectares of land, which translates to 210 acres of land. It is made up of 200,000 and 200 pieces of solar panels, which produces 55 megawatts of power. The power generated by the solar farm is connected to the national grid through the Raya substation that you see here, which in the long run stabilizes electricity in Garissa County and specifically Garissa town. Therefore, it has improved the life of people living here and across the nation.